Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl again, WIGS. Welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Koroba style. We all know this is a trendy style now, so I decided to make a video to show my wonderful subscribers on how I make this, and also to show the beginners too on how to make this beautiful Koroba style. So if this is your first time watching my video, please turn on your notification bell, subscribe, share, comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. And for the whole subscribers, you are welcome, and for the new subscribers, you are welcome too. So first thing first is to part your wig into four, then and start plating. You know how to make normal cap wig, those children's style. So it's just like that. Part your hair into four. After parting your hair into four, then you start plating. One thing about this style is that the way you cut is not the normal way they cut. You know the normal way they make cornrows, whereby you make the front big and the down tiny. It's just like that. This, you make the tip tiny and you make the down big. It's just like you cutting a V shape. So this is how you can achieve this, because if you should cut straight, you won't be able to get this exact cap style or this exact Koroba style. You get? So whenever you want to cut in a V form, make the tip tiny and make the body big, or the down of the weaving big, so you'll be able to get that sunny center. You get? So some people don't really like making this on their head because the complaint is very painful. I think I understand, because of, you know, everything is meeting at the center, so it's kind of painful. I decided to try this on wig, so let's go there. First thing first is doing your normal weaving. You just weave normally. You can see the way I'm doing it now, so I'm trying to weave it down first before I can start wrapping the weaving. So for the attachment, I cut my attachment into four. So into four should be like length 14. Yeah, length 14. So I cut it into four because it's Koroba cap wig. You don't want to make it too long, because when you are wrapping, it will be too big after wrapping. So you just have to cut it small while plating, so that when you wrap, you can still get the exact style before you wrap. One good thing I like about this wig is that it's very light, like very light. You don't have to put frontal, you don't have to lay anything, you don't have to install. It's just for you to just wear and go to your workplace. So I'm done weaving. You can see our wig is very beautiful. This is what you get when you finish doing your weaving, this cap wig. So before I proceed in wrapping, I will trim. After trimming, then I will start wrapping and sewing my wig cap. Like, this wig is very easy, very easy to achieve, or very easy to plait. Very easy. You don't really need to do too much. You don't need to spend too much while getting this. So easy. So I trim. After trimming, I will wrap. So it's time for wrapping. When you are doing your wrapping, you have to be very careful. You don't have to wrap too loose, because it's going to lose. The way I wrap mine, I put my thread and needle. After wrapping, like, let me say 3 step or 3 wrap, I sew, because I don't want it to lose and start giving me double stress. But if you can wrap once and sew, that's better too. So I tried wrapping once and sewing it. I discovered that, it was even stressing me more. So I tried this other method of, okay, I sew like the first 3 that I wrap before wrapping to finish it. It's not hard. You just have to know the side you are wrapping into. If you are wrapping it right ways or left, you just have to know that if you want it to look very neat and very well arranged. So that's it. You just wrap. That's all. And another thing, you don't need to sew too tight. While doing your sewing, or when doing your sewing rather, sew softly. Don't sew tight, don't drag it, because if you drag it you won't get this fine look. Don't make it too tight, it's not rock, so that by the time you put hot water like this, it's going to fall down, like it's going to be looking soft. You don't have to sew too tight. And before you sew, try and cut the tip in a way that you can wrap. If you know you can wrap with the twisted down, fine. But if the twisting down is rough, you just have to cut it and start wrapping. Wrap gently and sew. That's it. You don't have to do too much. Don't sew too tight. If you sew too tight, it will be looking so hard. So you have to sew softly. Yes guys, this is the finished work. You can see how beautiful my Koroba wig, see how fine it is. This is the finished work. So by the time you are done, this is something you are going to get. Make sure it's like this. If it's not like this, lose it and try doing it again. This is the finished work of my Koroba cap wig. You can see how beautiful it is. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell. Tell your friends please to subscribe for me, comment. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe for me. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.